Okay, pipeline. So this is yesterday practical, right? So same thing I want to do it. Same code like this. Control C. Okay, so I'm going back. Okay, guys, here we use this project only, right? So in this one, I created a Jenkins file. I will show you again. Here I went others. This I'll go to this one. Last empty file. I use empty file. Then I created with a name, like I given a name here, Jenkins file, and I created. Okay, this is a Jenkins file. Now I'm going to paste that configuration here, which is I copied from my previous project. So if I want to change anything, I can able to change it also. Okay, if I want to change anything, yeah, here it is. I can change it also. Okay, so here it is using agent. I didn't specify any agent. Any agent. It is like a Docker or anything. Okay. So what are the tools we used it? What are the tools we used it? And next is the stages. What stage? It's a first is it's a Jenkins project. So first of all, I took a GitHub. Okay, so like this, or otherwise. Otherwise, I will write one more stage. Okay, so stage. So getting resources like resource. Okay, resources stage. So getting where our repository. Okay, stage. So this is okay. So this is resources, and here you have to mention steps. Okay, actually I will put this one here. Step steps. So if you have a more other step or steps, and then okay, for this one this is closure. Okay, here I am going to put the step this one. Okay, get some resource code from here. So I'm going to Control X, Control V. Okay, so here this stage is completed. So this step here and resources collection. Okay, is this step is completed. Okay, now then it is a clean step. This is a clean step. Okay, Marvin Windows agent, and this is a clean part. Okay, and then this is a compilation part. So I will remove this compilation. Okay. So if you want to give echo commands and all, you can able to give. So this clean, it's a clean step. Okay. Next, it's a compilation step. So this part is not required here. So I'm going to remove this part. Okay. So I'm running this one in Marvin agent, and then this part is not required. Okay, this stage is completed here. Okay. This is a test stage. I put a project testing like this. Like you can give this echo commands one by one if you want. Otherwise, you can leave it. Okay. So I'm executing this on a Windows. That's why I'm getting like this. Okay. Now this part is completed, and it completes this stages part also. Okay. This is steps completed. This step is completed. Stage, step, stage, test stage. This is step, and this is stage. Okay. Correct. Okay. Now this is this final one, this stages one. Okay, this is belongs to stages one. So test up to test. Okay, next one is post. If in case all these steps are successful, then do this one. Okay, all steps are successful. So what I writing? All steps are successful. Okay, so like this. Okay, now Marvin package and clean Marvin package. And you want to do install also, you can do install command, otherwise you can leave it. So if in case, if it is failure, then what to do? If in case it is a post, okay, so if in case if it is a failure, then what to do? So Marvin project, Marvin project, some steps stage, right? So it's system stages. Some stage may fail. Okay, stage. Okay, so anything of it's a echo message. Not only a success and failure, we can also give anyway and other aspects also. So everything is closed here, and including the post is closed here. This is a complete pipeline. Now I'm going to save this one. I saved it. Okay. Then I want to put entire both the things. This is the Marvin file, and you want to do anything here also. We can put it also here. Okay. Okay, if you want to write something here like a system dot out dot println. Okay. Marvin project with Jenkins file. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Why it is maybe it is stuck in some place. Yeah. Very good. So it is out of a public wide mainstream. Now it is okay. So this will print here and then this print. Okay. So finally save. And what to do? So we have to push the configuration, right? So we have to go to Git. And first of all, we should add it. Adding is completed. Then commit. So this is a new one, right? So this is new one. Okay. First commit. This is my second commit. Okay. Second commit with Jenkins file. Okay. Commit. Okay. Committing is finished. Next, what is the last? It is push, right? So we have to go to remote push. Now it is asking where to push. This is a pushing thing. And also we can use like specify repository also and give the password. I given a password. Next. and integrate branches. So check mark is there. Then next, finish. Now it is pushing. So meanwhile, I will check whether it is working or not. So GitHub. So this is our Marvin, right? So here it is. So once it is finished, we will get a pushing is finished, but we didn't get anything. Oh, file is came here. File is came here. It's okay. We'll try with this one in Jenkins. Okay. So I'm going to take this code, copy. Okay. Here I'm going to create a new project. Okay. So pipeline only. So I'm not giving anything. Okay. So pipeline project. With J file. Okay, like for understanding our pipeline project one with J file. Okay, how much time we have? 6 minutes. Description. So it's a pipeline project. Pipeline Marvin. What happened? Marvin project with Jenkins. Yeah, we want to give description and all. This is build triggers. Okay, build triggers. Build after other projects are built. Build periodically. Build change in BitLock or like this. Like you can. Okay, so we'll see that thing later. But we'll go to the pipeline script. I'm using a pipeline with a SCM. Okay, so where is it? In a Git only. Okay, Jenkins file. So this is my Git file. So we'll see. Master, add a branch, repository browse, auto, or you want to go with any specific thing here. If you keep on going, then it will be like this. So apply, save. Then I'm trying to build now. We'll see whether it is successful or failure or utter flag. Okay, first is a console output. Then also we need a stage things, right? So this is a build status icon, links and all. So I don't want that. Stage view. Nothing is happened yet. It is still running. Sometimes it is slow. Then what you will do, just press enter. Here in the bottom, just press enter. Then automatically it will start. Yeah, very good. It is failed. Okay, unable to find Jenkins files from Git. Okay, so maybe where is that file in here? This went too much deep, right? SCC main like this. The file should be here, here under this one, not under this one. Okay, so it won't search in inside, right? So it should be here. we have to manually add it as well. So we will see within this time. Otherwise, um, resources. Again, we have to do all these things. Remote push. Still, it is somewhere. No, no, no. Better it is manually. We should do it. Can't put it here. Why you can't able to put? We can't delete it anyway. Have to save this one somewhere. No. We are about to disconnect, guys. Take 10 minutes break and come back. Then where it is created. I created a file and where it is created. Not happening.